Imagine a vast library, not the grand echoing halls you see in films, but a cluttered attic filled with forgotten things. Each book is a voice, whispering stories, ideas, dreams. Some shout from the front shelves, their covers bright and new. These are the bestsellers, the ones everyone knows. But most huddle in the shadows, their voices faint, their pages yellowed with time. These are the forgotten books, the ones lost in the dust of neglect. Their stories are no less worthy, their wisdom no less profound. They hold within them the same magic, the same power to transport us to other worlds, to make us laugh, cry and think. But they are easily overlooked, their covers faded, their titles unfamiliar. They are the silent majority waiting patiently for someone to notice them, to brush away the dust and listen to their tales. The world of books is a crowded marketplace. New titles appear daily, vying for our attention. Bestsellers dominate displays, their covers gleaming under bright lights. Trendy genres capture the spotlight, their popularity fueled by algorithms and online buzz. In this relentless cycle of novelty, the forgotten books stand little chance. Their covers may be less flashy, their themes less fashionable. They may speak of times gone by, of experiences far removed from our modern lives. This makes them difficult to market, a challenge for publishers focused on the bottom line. And so they fade from view, their presence on shelves shrinking, their chances of discovery dwindling. The rise of the internet has transformed how we find and consume information. Search engines direct us to popular websites, algorithms curate our news feeds, and online retailers recommend products based on our browsing history. This creates a filter bubble, limiting our exposure to anything outside our immediate interests. Forgotten books, with their limited online presence and lack of digital marketing, easily get lost in this digital landscape. Their titles may not appear in the top search results, their authors may not have a strong online following. Even if we stumble upon them, the sheer volume of readily available content makes it easy to move on, to choose the familiar over the unknown. Yet these forgotten books persist. They linger in second-hand bookstores, their pages brittle but their words still potent. They reside in library basements, awaiting a curious soul to check them out. They exist as faded copies passed down through generations, their stories whispered from grandparents to grandchildren, and perhaps this is their saving grace. Away from the noise and glare of the mainstream, they retain a certain mystique, a quiet allure for those who seek something different. Their rediscovery is a matter of chance, a serendipitous encounter in a dusty corner or a whispered recommendation from a fellow book lover. But when it happens, it is a special kind of magic, like unearthing a hidden treasure, a reminder that the most valuable things are often the ones we least expect.